how to shift negative energy in your home that is affecting your parenting journey. Ever walked into your home and instantly felt drained? Like the energy is very heavy, arguments happening for no reason, and no matter what you do, you and your kids feel on an edge? What if I told you that this is invisible energy and could be silently shaping your child's emotions, your patience, and the overall harmony in the home? Most parents don't realize this, but just like we clean our homes physically, we also need to cleanse emotional and energetic environment. And the good news is, you don't need expensive rituals or complicated practices. Just a few powerful, proven shifts can completely transform the energy in your home, making parenting smoother and more joyful. In this video, I'll share 3 simple, science-backed techniques that will not only clear negative energy but also create a space where your child feels safe, nurtured, and emotionally balanced. And trust me, once you make these shifts, you will start seeing a difference in your child's mood, your patience level, and even how smoothly your day flows. So, if you're ready to stop feeling like your home is working against you and instead turn it into a peaceful, positive, and uplifting space, keep watching because that is what I'm about to share and it'll change everything. Tell me, what if your home becomes a place where stress melts away, where your child feels emotionally safe, and where your parenting feels effortless instead of exhausting? Right now, you might be experiencing constant power struggles, tantrums, or emotional outbursts. A home that feels chaotic, like no matter what you do, there's tension in it. Drained energy, feeling impatient, guilty, or overwhelmed in your parenting journey. But here's the truth. The energy in your home is affecting your child's behavior more than you realize. Here's what you will gain from watching this video. Number 1, a scientifically proven 3-step method to clear negative energy and instantly shift your home's emotional atmosphere. Number 2, simple practical techniques that just takes a few minutes a day. No need for complicated rituals. Number 3, a secret to creating a home that feels safe, calm, and supportive, where your child listens without resistance. 4, more patience, more connection, less frustration in your parenting journey. So my promise is, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable steps to reset the energy in your home, so you can raise a child in an environment that nurtures peace, emotional stability, deep connection, every single day. Stick with me till the end and you'll never look at your home's energy the same way again. Let's dive in. Let me start with my personal story. I want to take you back to the time not too long ago when I was really struggling with the same thing many of you may be experiencing right now. A tense, heavy energy in the home that seemed to sabotage my parenting efforts. I was a mother of a young child, balancing work, family, and life. But no matter how much I tried to stay calm and patient, it felt like the stress and the chaos kept growing. There were constant arguments, miscommunications, and my child seemed to be in almost constant state of emotional unrest. It drained me. The more I tried to be calm, conscious parent, the more I felt like I was fighting against an invisible force, something intangible but very real. One evening, after another meltdown at the dinner, I found myself sitting in the room, completely exhausted. I asked myself, what am I missing here? Why can't I stay calm or help my child to do the same thing? That was when I had an epiphany. I realized that the energy in our house was not supporting the kind of environment I wanted for my family. And that energy wasn't coming from my child, it was coming from me too. I was stressed, overwhelmed, and carrying emotional baggage from the outside world. So I decided to take a step back. I started researching and experimenting with energy cleaning practices that were simple, quick, and would not only uplift my own energy but also shift the emotional atmosphere in the house. I started with simple, powerful techniques like deep breathing, setting intentions, focusing on emotional health, using affirmations, and simple rituals to shift the energy of the house. I also made sure to lead with positivity and calmness as I realized my energy was a mirror to my child. Within a matter of weeks, things began to change. The mood in our home lightened. My child started to listen better, and I found myself responding with more patience and understanding. We weren't perfect, of course, but the transformation was undeniable. The negativity that once seemed to linger in the air was replaced with a sense of calm and peace. Our family interactions became smoother. Parenting no longer felt like an uphill task. So, what did I learn from this? Shifting the negative energy in your home isn't just about changing your environment. It starts with changing how you show up emotionally. And once you start that shift, you'll be amazed at how it ripples through every aspect of your parenting and your family dynamic. If this story resonates with you, know that this shift is not only possible, it's available to you right now. In the next few minutes, I'll share exactly how you can start transforming your home's energy too. Let's dive in. Let me ask you why shifting negative energy in your home is essential for conscious parenting. If you are a mother raising children between 5 to 18 years, you already know that parenting is not just about rules and routines. It's about the energy you bring to your home every single day. Have you ever noticed how your child mirrors your emotions when you are stressed? They become irritable too, right? Some days your home feels tense and chaotic even when nothing major has happened. No matter how much you try to be a conscious parent, stress, frustration, and negativity does creep in. That's because the energy in your home acts like an invisible force, either supporting your parenting journey or sabotaging it. Your child's emotional well-being is directly linked to the energy they absorb from the surroundings. If your home is filled with stress, tension, and unresolved emotions, the child will definitely have frequent tantrums, mood swings, and emotional outbursts. They will struggle to listen, focus, or regulate their emotions. They will feel disconnected from you even if you are physically present. But when you intentionally shift the energy in the home, your child will feel safe, emotionally secure, and more cooperative. They communicate better. They respond with less resistance. They absorb the positivity, peace, and balance, which helps them thrive in all areas of life. Your home should be a safe emotional sanctuary, not another source of stress. And as a conscious mother, you have the power to create this transformation. Your home's energy starts with you. This is the truth. Your thoughts, emotions, and habits shape the environment your child grows up in. But don't worry, this is not about perfection. You need to be stress-free all the time to create a positive home. You just need right tools to shift the energy quickly and intentionally. In this video, I'm going to share practical, easy to implement techniques that will help you clear out negative energy effortlessly. Transform your home into a space of peace, connection, and joy. Make your parenting journey smoother, more fulfilling, and deeply rewarding. Because when you shift the energy in your home, you don't just change the environment, you transform your entire parenting experience. So let's get started. But before we dive in, I want you to do something really important. Grab a notebook or a digital notepad. You can even open phone's note app, because what I'm about to share isn't just theory. It's step-by-step action plan to shift the negative energy in your home starting today. And the best part is, if you take notes and stay connected with me till the end, I have a special bonus for you, which you can freely download, the Conscious Home Energy Reset Guide, which will include quick reference checklist to shift negative energy in your home, simple daily energy clearing routine, and my favorite affirmations and mindfulness exercises to bring peace and harmony in your parenting. Remember, this guide is only for those who are serious and ready to make the change. So go ahead and get your notes ready. How to shift negative energy in your home that is affecting your parenting journey. Let's start by understanding that negative energy in your home is an invisible force that impacts the emotional atmosphere of your home. It can come from stress, unresolved emotions, constant conflicts, environmental factors, and even digital influences. But when left unaddressed, it directly affects your parenting, your child's emotional well-being, and overall family harmony. Here are 6 key aspects of what negative energy in your home looks like, so you can identify. Number 1, tension and irritability. Frequent arguments, misunderstandings, and emotional outbursts become the norm. Number 2, emotional drain. You feel constantly exhausted, impatient, or overwhelmed even without a clear reason. Number 3, children absorbing negativity. Kids mirror parental energy. If the home feels tense, they become more anxious, defiant, and withdrawn. Number 4, lack of peace and connection. Quality family time feels forced or absent, and interactions feel transactional rather than meaningful. 5th, unfinished emotional baggage. Past negative experiences linger and subtly shape how you react to parenting challenges. 6th, physical and environmental stagnation. Clutter, lack of fresh air, and excessive screen exposure contributes to emotional heaviness in the house. So tell me why shifting negative energy is essential for conscious parenting. Here's why this topic is critical for mothers who want to create conscious and nurturing parenting experience. First, your child's emotional well-being depends on it. Children are highly sensitive to the energy around them. A chaotic home environment can lead to tantrums, mood swings, or lack of focus in school and daily life. 2. It affects your patience and parenting response. Negative energy makes you react instead of respond, leading to yelling, frustration, and guilt in your parenting. Number 3. Emotional healing starts at home. If unresolved stress lingers, it impacts not just your child, but your own mental and physical health. Number 4. A harmonious home promotes connection. When the energy shifts, communication improves. Children become more cooperative, and your family experiences deeper emotional bonding. Number 5. Clarity and positivity help you raise conscious kids. A home filled with positive energy allows you to teach mindfulness, resilience, and emotional intelligence by example. 6. It creates a ripple effect in your life. When your home feels good, everything flows better. Your productivity, relationships, and personal fulfillment improves. So let's talk about how do we change this energy? How do we shift this energy with actionable steps and real-life examples? So what can you do to exactly transform your home energy and create a space where parenting feels lighter, joyful, and deeply connected? Number 1, clear the physical and emotional clutter. Cluttered space is equal to cluttered energy is equal to overwhelming parenting. Declutter your child's study area and play area. Broken toys, school material, anything unused in past 6 months, just remove everything. Air the room, where everything has space and is stress-free. Set an intention while cleaning. Speak affirmations like, I release stagnant energy and welcome harmony. Instead of just cleaning for the sake of it, involve your child in the process and say, let's clear the space for good vibes and happy moments. Organize emotional clutter too. Identify repetitive stressors like constant shouting, nagging, etc. Find a way to remove them. Have a peaceful morning routine. Eliminate the energy that drains you out. Refresh the air and light. Open windows, use essential oils, and light up your home every day. Introduce soothing sounds. Play healing frequencies, nature sounds, or calming music to set a peaceful tone of your house. Wind chimes is a great idea. Use colors that uplift the energy of the house, like pastel shades, light blues, or earthy greens in the home decor creates a sense of calm and warmth. Number 2, regulate your own energy first because your kids mirror you. Your child's mood is often a reflection of your own emotional state. So how would you do that? Pause before reacting. Instead of snapping at your child's behavior, take a deep breath before responding. Practice grounding exercises. Place your hand on your heart and repeat, I choose patience and connection. Keep chanting it. Model emotional balance. Show your kids how to express frustration calmly instead of suppressing or exploding. If you are stressed, instead of shouting, say, Mommy is feeling a little overwhelmed. I need a moment. End the day with gratitude reflection. At bedtime, ask your child what was the best part of your day to shift focus to positivity. Use touch to reset energy. Hug your children for 20 seconds. It instantly releases oxytocin, the love hormone. Laugh and play more. Fun energy clears negativity fast. Dance with your kids, play silly games, or share a joke before bedtime. Number 3, create emotionally safe zones in the house. Children thrive in spaces where they feel emotionally secure. How would you do that? Have a no yelling zone. Choose a space where conversations must stay calm, like the dining table. Create a comfort corner. A small space with cushions, books, and calming objects where the child can go to self-regulate emotion. Encourage open expression. Let your child talk freely without immediate judgment or correction. Use visual reminders of positivity. Family vision boards, inspirational quotes, or gratitude jars work wonders. Make time for one-to-one connection. 10 minutes of undivided attention per child daily strengthens their emotional security. Allow emotional release. Teach children the name of every emotion rather than bottling them up. Number 4, remove digital energy drains. Social media, constant news, and digital overload can affect home energy. Create a family tech-free hour, a time when everyone disconnects from screens and connect with each other. Be mindful of the background TV noise. Reduce the habit of leaving the TV on unnecessarily. It creates subtle emotional chaos. Use social media wisely. Follow uplifting content. Unfollow negativity. Infuse home rituals that boost positivity. Simple habits like lighting an incense create a lasting energy shift. Morning affirmation ritual. Start the day by saying, today we invite peace and love into our home. Family walks in nature. works immensely well in grounding in nature and resets emotions. Evening reset routine can work wonders too, like lighting a candle at night and setting an intention. When you shift the energy in your home, you transform your parenting. Choose one step today and watch how quickly things start to improve. Drop in the comments below the activity you're going to do today. Your parenting transformation starts now. Here are the next steps. If you find this video useful, like and subscribe and share it with a friend who would love these ideas too. Don't miss the exclusive bonus. If you want to go deeper, I've put a free guide for you, the Conscious Home Energy Reset. Go ahead and download it to get the best of these practices. Join our Conscious Motherhood community and let the communication continue. The link is in the description below. You will get access to live question and answers, expert masterclass, and personalized guidance. Don't close the video before sharing that one shift you're going to implement today. Let's inspire and support each other. See you in the next video. Until then, keep creating magic in your home.